Hi, I'm Todd Tankersley, National Sales Manager with Adaptive Vans. And today we are really excited to introduce this brand new product that has never been seen before on the Dodge Ram ProMaster low roof 136-inch wheelbase chassis. You probably don't even recognize this vehicle because the way that it starts out is just a basic cargo van, like a delivery van with nothing inside. No windows, no molding, no lights, just a very commercial style vehicle. We have taken that base chassis and we have made something really exciting. Let me go ahead and show you. The ramp is really easy to operate. What we incorporated here are these tie-down clamps that keep the ramp very sturdy. So by simply lifting these up, the ramp comes down like opening a refrigerator door. Customers in the industry were begging for something very different that's going to accommodate two large chairs, or a cot, or a gurney, or stretcher, or maybe even a motorcycle. You can be a very tall operator, say you're a non-emergency medical transportation provider. You can be basically 6'6", stand up straight while tending to your patients that are in the vehicle. This blows ADA out of the sky. You've got 70 inches coming through the doorway. You have a very large usable ramp of 32 inches. The channel itself, the length, is 107 inches long. So just imagine what that you can do with that. And then of course, 73 inches of height in the interior cabin. Now I'm not a real tall guy, so I could probably jump rope in here if I wanted to, but it gives you just a lot of room to work with. Typically the only substitute that you would have would be a rear entry in a minivan. And you're only allowed and provided so much space. But with this, you're going to be able to accommodate 99% of all wheelchairs, scooters, and people, and heck, maybe even a motorcycle. The ramp is easy to stow. It's like lifting a gallon of milk off the kitchen floor. Then you latch it down, you close the doors, and off you go. So this van shares the same engine and transmission as that of the Dodge Grand Caravan, which we have converted hundreds of. So we have learned to trust that engine and to trust that transmission, as these vehicles, if properly maintained, could go 400,000 miles without any types of issues. For ambulatory passengers, we've also taken the opportunity to add two very comfortable and fully upholstered mid-row bucket seats with armrests. As an added option, we can provide a Friedman fold-down, flip-up seat that will accommodate two full-size adults. Let me show you how it works. Because of its low roof design, this particular van will fit into most conventional garages, underground parking structures, drive-thrus, you name it, it's easy. Other features to note are the factory glass windows that we install prior to it being a cargo van. We also do vacuum formed molding throughout the entire interior of the vehicle, so it gives it much more of a civilian look and feel, very comfortable. And lastly, we have incorporated LED lighting, so it's very luminous inside the vehicle. And what you're not seeing behind this panel, it's fully insulated throughout the van, which is going to provide a very comfortable interior and very quiet. In fact, most people that see this cannot believe its transformation from the windows, to the molding, to the seats, the lighting, the seat belts. Everything on this vehicle is top drawer. And for more information, please feel free to reach out at adaptivevans.com.